What's going on, guys? It's your boy Blake back again with another video. Today I'm going to be revealing my 2020 sneaker collection. Basically, let me run down what happened. So we had an ant problem. We basically had to have this room like fully exterminated of ants. They came in here and sprayed a bunch of stuff. So everything in this room, all these boxes and shoes, were temporarily moved out for about a month. There was nothing in here, and during that time frame I did buy a lot of new shoes just because all the shoes had been moved and I didn't really take any out before we put it in storage. I don't know why, but I just happened to buy a lot of shoes during that time, so there are a lot of new shoes. I did just set up a new layout, and I did kind of put this here too, which I think looks pretty cool. This is a very cool display, I guess, of my Bear Bricks. I have the rose gold undefeated Mickey, the original blue Bape Shark one, this new Mickey one, Mickey Bape collab, and then these two just like full camo, ABC camo ones. And then I have the Herschel that they gifted me, and then the Bait one that I picked up. That was my first one that I ever got. So that's basically this side of the room, very minimalistic. It looks great, not too much going on. Then we have these two Murakami pillows. They're not usually on the ground. Right here, this is the current giveaway that I'm doing if you guys didn't know about it already. This bandana box logo hoodie, it's a size large, brand new. You guys can win it. All you have to do is the steps on the screen, and the steps will be in the description down below. Basically, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and then go comment on that Instagram post. That's been on my Instagram for a little bit now, and I'm gonna be picking a winner from that post. So make sure you guys go comment on that. Anyways, let's get into this video. All right, so I got this little step stool ladder right here, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys each shoe, because I have a lot of shoes that you guys have not seen. We'll start all the way at the top. I've really gotten into Air Forces lately, and Bapestas are very, very similar, and they're kind of like identical to Air Forces, but they have like the shooting star on the side. These are a triple white, all white pair. These are pretty dope. Got these for retail. They do resale now, surprisingly. And then I do have two pairs of these Oregon ones. I have a brand new pair, and then a pair I've wore like once. Super clean. And then these are really, really cool. So these are a Ghostbusters Bapesta. Basically, this is when they had the collab. It was like for the 20th or 50th anniversary. We have that on the back. It's pretty cool. One of my dad's doctor friends actually saw these at an auction, like a silent auction for like doctors, like at a hospital, I think. And he texted a pic to my dad. He was like, "What are these? They look pretty cool." And then my dad was like, "Oh, can you grab those for Blake?" He got them for me. These are really, really cool. Very, very rare. Have not wore them yet. Don't know when I will, but has to be for a special occasion. These next ones, I thought I had another pair of these. I thought I doubled up. I'm like pretty sure I did, but maybe they're in storage. These are one of the most popular colors that came out recently. They came out with these pink ones, which I'll show you, and these green ones. And these sold on StockX. They have been selling on StockX for like $500-600 bucks. Again, I got them for retail, which was like 300. These pink ones, kind of just wanted to complete the set. They came out with 3. I don't know if I'd ever really wear these, but maybe just with like some cargo pants and a black hoodie. They're kind of cool, they pop. Next shoe, which I really like, these Skeleton Air Force Ones, brand new pairs. I need to get another pair of these to beat. I want to keep these both brand new because I believe that they're gonna go up in price. These already kind of did. A pair of these sold on StockX for like 600 if you look, like a size 10. So I kept these dead stock, and I managed to find a used pair, which I managed to do, and now I'm just beating this pair because they're pretty cool. I really like them. CDG Air Force Ones. These are very, very rare. I do need another pair of these just because I feel horrible for like destroying this pair, but they're so cool. I really, really like them. One of my favorite Air Forces I have for sure. The new Travis Scott, I put these laces in it. I don't know if you guys have seen that on a lot of pairs, but I think it looks a lot better. I took that weird like lace cover thing off. It kind of covers the whole shoe and it doesn't make it look better. Shoe's already very weird. So MCAs, you guys have seen these. I have brand new pairs of these. I have a couple pairs right now, a couple brand new pairs just like sitting in boxes. I don't think they're gonna ever go up like more than they're going for, but I think they're really cool to have. And then a couple simple Air Forces. These snakeskin ones, I think they're really dope just to like beat. They're very unique. They look cool. So I have those. And then I have a couple other like simple Air Forces, Supreme, NBA Air Forces, and then like patch Air Forces. So I have like a bunch of other dope Air Forces, which is why I'm gonna skip those. And geez, all right, we'll start here. So I recently did just get these Vlone Air Force Ones. These are ridiculous. Every living creature dies alone. It's kind of like spelled out. These are really crazy, very limited. super rare. You don't see a lot of pairs of these now, and the only like ones that I have seen are like brand new pairs for like 5,000-6,000, or a couple like super big sizes for 3,000. I did pay like low 2,000 for these just because no box, but I think they're very, very cool. The colors are very unique. There's no other Air Force like them, and they even have the V-Lone embroidered on the back. The leather is like one of the best leathers I've ever seen on an Air Force 2. I want to discuss and show you guys the best sneaker cleaner in the game. I'm talking about Reshoevn8r, right? So basically, this is almost every product that they have to offer. Reshoevn8r is the best sneaker cleaning company in the game. It is what I use to clean all my shoes. I wear some of these shoes a lot, and they get dirty, right? You can clean it with soap and water and all that stuff, but there's a chance that you guys could actually ruin your own shoes by not doing it properly. So that's why I recommend that you guys get Reshoevn8r. You guys can either scrub and clean your shoes, which is like the easiest thing to do, on the go, quick, and then you're done. You guys can go onto their site, which I'll put in the link down below. You guys can use my code and link to get money off, but there's a specific thing on there that you guys can get. It's like the sneaker laundry detergent package. You guys put your shoes, like you prep them, you put them in this little bag, and then you can throw it in the laundry machine, which is pretty cool. I think it's very, very cool. Then a couple other things. Deodorizer. You guys buy a used pair of shoes. Who's trying to save money? That's what I do. Smell? It smells fresh. It smells a lot better just like that. So that's another cool product that they offer, right? This is an eraser, suede eraser. You get a little mark on your shoe, you can erase it with the suede. That's really cool. And then these are just brushes. And then of course, sneaker wipes. Laundry bag. This is what you put your shoe in. And it'll come with this detergent and like to put it in and all that good stuff. So you guys can keep your shoes clean and fresh and not have to worry about ruining them when you're trying to clean them yourself. A couple other Air Forces. Cold Wall Air Force. Rockefeller Air Force Ones. These are brand new. Super dope. Simple. Plain Air Forces. You always need a pair. CDG Air Forces with the little dinosaur. I don't know if you guys have seen these. Very, very interesting, but I think they're cool. They're unique. And then a very, very cool shoe that I did pick up a bunch of recently is the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force One. I got the red pair. I got the black pair. I got the blue pair. I got the white pair. And then I got the black pair. I'm still looking for more, so if you have size 10, hit me up. But I just really like them. They go with everything. They literally go with everything. Everybody asks like where I get them. I've got them off of Goat, Grailed, but they're pretty expensive. They each go for like 500 bucks, $2,500 in Air Forces. I don't think most people are trying to pay that, but I really like these. I really like shoes, and I'm down to spend money on expensive stuff if I want it, you know? I think these are really cool though. A lot of people hate on the black ones, but I think they're pretty unique. Both of the Off-White Air Force Ones, the newer ones. All right, Off-White ones. We got UNCs, Euros, Chicagos, and then all my other Jordan 1s. Unions. These are probably one of my favorite Jordan 1s. These are really cool. The black toe Unions. Unions go for stupid amounts now. It's crazy. They go for like $1,500 brand new. The blue pair is very nice as well. Then we got Travis Scott Jordan 1s, the LA to Chicago, and the Court Purples, Shattered Backboards, and then Fragment Jordan 1s. Super, super rare pair. And then we got both of the COS right here. This is a gray pair and this is a black. These are both very, very rare. They're very cool. If you like Jordans, like these are really dope. I honestly like the black pair more. Goes with more, but the gray pair is a lot more rare. And then we have both of the Just On 2s on the bottom, if you see those. So next row, we're getting through this. I have all my designer Fear of God, like boots and shoes. You guys can see them. Then I have one Yeezy crepe boot right here, which I wore like 1 year. We got two Fear God high tops. These I have not wore yet. I think these are really, really dope though. The color on these is sick. I really like the Volt like green pair too, like the mint pair, but they're harder to wear. I feel like orange is a little bit more of a neutral color. It's closer to red. So these are cool. Just haven't found the right time to wear them. Honestly, when I get out of high school, I'm gonna wear like so many more shoes, like so much more often. Because honestly, when I go to school, I just wear like Air Forces or Vans because nobody really cares at my school like what shoes people wear. And I don't really like care to like impress people at my school with shoes, you know? Like people just don't have the appreciation at my school. These are the OG Fear Gods. I looked for these for a minute. I couldn't find them. I didn't want to buy a brand new pair, but I finally found a used pair, which is great. These are really clean too. Travis Scott Jordan 4s. Not personally like a huge, super crazy fan about those. I think they're still worth like 300 bucks. They go for like 800 now, which is pretty crazy, but I just don't think they're that cool. They're low-key like a GR. They're not really made that well. It's a lot of flaws, glue stains, like paint smears, like that just came on the shoe. Quality, it's kind of like a suede. Like it's like not that nice. So I don't really like them. The blue's kind of hard to wear too. but I have them because I bought them when they were low, so I'm gonna keep them. Levi 4s, the denim 4s, I ripped them up. Came out pretty cool, but again, I don't know what to wear those with, so. Now I do have a couple like simple Jordans, Jordan 5s, the Raging Bull 5s, Oreo 5s, Metallic 5s, and then Bred 11s. They're actually about to re-release those, like, or they did. They may have just released them. Maybe they released them by Christmas. I think they did, but I was out of town, so I wouldn't know. My Adidas kind of section. Got two NMDs on the top. I got two like Data Mosh Glitch pairs. They're pretty comfortable. They look great with shorts. I have a couple 350 V2s. Now they have released like a ton of them recently, and I like a lot of them, but they all look very similar. And I don't wear these ones that much, so there's no point in me getting those. But I do have creams, red stripes, and the gloves. I think those are like some of the best ones. Got Turtle Doves, Pirate Blacks, and then blue tints. I forgot about these, my bad, but yeah, I have them. Just, I couldn't really sell them for anything. Not gonna be able to make anything or get anything back, so I'll just keep them. I have a pair that I drew on like a while ago. I still have those, obviously, because nobody's gonna buy those. And then I have a couple 750s. The OG ones and then the chocolate ones. I used to have all them, but I don't even wear those, so why do I need to keep all of them? And then just a couple random basketball shoes on the bottom as well. I kept like the rarest basketball shoes that I've ever like put in my collection. The KD5, super rare. These go for like $2 grand now. There's like no pairs, they're a sample. I don't even know like how they released, to be honest. And then the Nerf KD4 is probably like one of the best KDs to ever come out for sure. Packaging, the shoe, everything is just super dope. So we're going through this, we're almost done. Thank you guys for sticking through this video if you're still here. These, which I just picked up, super clean pair of Off-White Blazers, and I just picked these up too. I just bought like a bunch of shoes back, and these are both really dope. I want the orange pair of the Blazers too. I think those are dope to wear like in New York, like the fall time. That's what Blazers are like perfect for, like running around New York. A couple Converse, these are really dope. The Coat Converse, I love these, but I've like never wore them. I think the colorway is so fire. Like that gray with the white stands out really nice. And then Fear God Converse, I have the white pair over there too. Both the Off-White Converse, these are really dope. These are really hard to get now. A lot of people want these, but the yellow really like nasty, the material that they made. Then when we move down, I have my 3 pairs of Dior high top. Got the white pair. I just got these like samurai ones. I got them used and I got them for a pretty good price, so that's dope. And then I have the original ones. And then I just have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff like Converse, NMDs, Ultra Boost, and just other runners. So now we're on to the last part of my collection, the Van collection, plus a couple hype shoes on the top. These are all just super simple, like essential Vans. Like I feel like everybody needs a pair of these in their collection. Drew on those, a bunch of super simple stuff. I have a bunch of essential Vans. Then we get into the more like hype stuff. I got Fear God Vans. Obviously, you know I have to. I got the red pair. I got both of these Supreme Vans. These I have yet to wear, but they're very rare. These are Mindseeker Vans. I want to say these were released at like a Complex Con. There's like 200 pairs. Murakami slip-ons. I think they're cool, but again, the right fit. It's hard to wear those. Bunch of other like simple miscellaneous Vans going down. All right, and so starting from the bottom up, I have almost, or probably all Fear God Vans. I have all the slip-ons. Then it goes from the originals to the new Marshmallow ones, and then Revenge Storms, blah, 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 blah. And then I have the Michigan Off-White Dunks and the red Off-White Dunks, which just came out. I don't need to take those out. I think like every YouTuber showed those already. All right guys, so this is my collection. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It is obviously a lot more condensed, and that's just because I'm barely wearing the shoes that I have. I'm moving out soon, and I'm not gonna have like freaking 400 pairs of shoes to drag with me. I'd end up selling them anyway. And I just want a smaller selection that I can appreciate more, you know? Like I'm wearing a lot more of these shoes rather than just having like a bunch of like expensive shoes just sitting in here collecting dust. I may do a video discussing how I think you guys should set up your sneaker room. Basically like where I got these certain things. Obviously you guys probably know where these boxes are, but maybe you don't. Maybe you don't know where these are from. Maybe you guys want to get certain simple like display things like this. You guys don't have to put Bear Bricks on this. You guys can put shoe boxes. It's very, very sturdy. You guys can put like anything you want on it. I think that would maybe be helpful for some of you guys. So with all that being said, I appreciate it guys. Make sure you enter the giveaway for the box logo. Be super dope if you guys win that. You never know. The steps are down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Blake. I'll see you. We're out of here. Peace.